It can be difficult and overwhelming to take the first steps in healing from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. PTSD can be incredibly complex and can leave us feeling incredibly isolated and alone. I know that because I have PTSD. Welcome to the Inspire series. I'm Sylvia Mordini, founder of Life Inspired, and this is personal. It's important to recognize the range of emotions related to trauma and to know it's okay to feel all of them. Common feelings include fear, guilt, sadness, betrayal, shock, confusion, and anger. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and as if it's impossible to find your path to healing. But one way to do this is through self-care. Taking time for yourself can help you feel grounded and connected to yourself. Identifying activities that help you relax and release tension can also be helpful. Some examples include yoga, journaling, listening to music, art therapy, meditation, and engaging in trauma-focused therapy such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing can also be beneficial. A mental health professional can help you work through difficult thoughts and feelings. And finally, it's important to talk about your experience with people you can trust. Opening up to a friend or family member or counselor can help you feel heard and supported as you take the important steps to healing. Remember that healing from trauma can be a long process that requires self-compassion and patience. And taking small steps every day in the direction of healing is the ultimate goal. There is no single path to healing from PTSD, but there are ways to support you yourself and move forward. I hope that this video inspired you and that you see that there is a way and that my life serves as an inspiration as well. We're in this together. I'm rooting for you in your healing. And in the meantime, as you move through this path of expansion, healing, and self-love, may you love yourself. May you love yourself. May you love your day. May you love your day. May you love your life. May you love your life. Thank you for being here, and have a beautiful day.